Sheesh.
What's going on, Hot We live at 5, man.
We live, man.
We hungry. We need something to eat, man. It's time for you to get to work.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, sir.
All right, let me go ahead and get that pit popping then, brother.
You gotta get in the ride for the guests. And guess what? We about to turn up.
Let's go.
You know what I'm saying? Whoever loses, we'll push them in the play out there. We ain't gonna do that. No, we ain't do that. You know what I'm saying? I know how to swim, but there's some stuff in that water that you don't wanna get. Hey,
Shit.
if you catch it, you good. You're done.
We gonna cook it then.
We gonna cook it. All
You
right.
bite us, we gonna bite it.
Shoot. Hey.
For real, man.
Who gonna catch the bait? Me or you?
Both of us, bro.
Shoot, let's get it.
Let's go.
Get the cast, man. So what you do is you keep this on your hand like a bracelet.
Okay.
Like a bracelet. Just like a bracelet.
Okay.
If y'all want to catch fish and save money with no worms on it, hold this.
All right.
So come on, we gotta do it.
All right.
Bless you. Highly favored.
All right. I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna
That's
go
cool.
right.
I'm right-handed too. Okay. Now, just like, look, let me get in the camera.
All right, break it down for me.
Let me be a layer strong. So if y'all know about stencher cords, how you roll up stencher cords? You just start one.
Yeah, like this.
No.
Okay.
Look. You know it.
Okay. Yeah.
Come on,
For sure.
There we go.
Let's
Make
go.
it a little bigger. Don't start all over. Make the circles
All
bigger.
right, bet. Say less.
They'll work.
We're gonna go long on.
Oh yeah, there we go. There, look, a natural. I ain't lying. Hey, this is a crazy echo.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo.
Some good audio, huh?
Come on now.
All right.
There we go. That's
All
the
right,
last
boom.
one. One more time.
All
Boom.
right, boom.
So just hold it all the way up.
Mm-hmm. And then when I throw it, let it go.
Yeah, well, so let it go. You always. I forgot unless it's in my hand.
All right, cool.
Hold this. Hold on.
You wanna hold it with two hands, like
You hold it.
2 hands.
Yeah, you hold it like this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Hey, I'm sorry. I forgot mid cups.
So the camera. All right, cool.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, bet.
Now swing it.
I think 06
GTA 6.
Expedition.
VIP. Come on, all that stuff.
Let's go. All right.
Catch it. Come on now.
3, 2, 1.
Hold on. Something
My
wrong.
fingernail got stuck on it. All right.
You gotta open it up for it. Like this. Keep this tight. Yeah, like that.
All right. Let's go, gang. Y'all ready?
Swing it. Look. Just toss that joint. Oh, almost. Hold on. Let it go. You'd be surprised. Now you gotta let it sink for a little bit.
Okay. Gang, I don't think I caught nothing.
Nah, if you be surprised.
So what I got, gang? Tap in. Tap in,
Look,
man.
look.
We
let me
catching
see.
them all,
What,
bro.
Let me show him.
All right, come on.
But I'm not gonna do it. You gonna do it, all right?
All right, bet.
No, take it off. So let me show you again.
Okay.
You did it right, but sometimes you can forget. So I'd rather just show you how. Look at this. The camera can see me. Oh, we got a good little look. Look. Scoop, 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 and then what you do is you gotta hold this.
Oh, okay.
So that's why I forgot to tell you. And then look, you take a piece, with any piece, and just grab it.
Okay.
And look, you take another piece, and you grab it. And look how it is.
Right.
Look how beautiful that is. Look how beautiful that is.
All right,
And
give
watch
us a throw.
What I want to throw it.
Let's go over here, bro.
Okay,
Like,
let's see what we catch.
in the shade.
That's live too?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Turn that one, yeah.
Sorry about that, live. Let's go. You can't abandon y'all.
No, you good. Oh, there you go. Okay. turned up.
Fact. Nice throw.
Appreciate it. You did your thing, man. You caught it. Hey,
Call me something.
it don't matter the size. You caught it.
Something, something.
Something is something.
For real. Yeah. We'll start busting the move.
Yeah, crazy.
All right, let's see.
You be dancing on me. All right, y'all, we about to bust a move.
All right.
Yeah,
We'll start busting the move.
crazy.
All right, let's see.
You be dancing on me. All right, y'all, we about to bust a move.
All right, gang.
Don't like us. We caught enough.
What's up, YouTube? So what it is, we ain't catch nothing. My boy caught a towel right here. You know what I'm saying?
Caught a towel.
Hey, we did catch a couple of minnows, bait.
Yeah. We caught bait, we caught shad, we caught minnows. And guess what? We had a good time. That's more important than everything. But it won't be the last time. Hot shot. Your boy Zay, got your boy D. Man, the sun got dang done drained the life out of me.
The life, bro.
Hey, tied to the mud, but you know, Hot Shot kept it going. He energized. More to come. Wish had an invitation to something else. Unable to do it, but guess what? It won't be the last time.
Yes, sir.
This your boy Zay. You know, I do fish and stuff. But like I said, I'm really, you know, hanging out with my boy Hot Shot. So, you know, tap in, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And we appreciate the people that subscribe in this vlog and in the live. So it was hella love. So we appreciate you guys.
Yes, sir.
Make sure y'all tap in, man.
It was fun.
Man, heck, it was fun.
It was damn fun.
Come on now.
And what else is fun is Hot Shot got more stuff on the way. I can't tell you, but he got other content in different places because he got this little movie he about to do.
Come on. You know what it is, but
You
you
better
don't know what it ain't.
Oh, yeah.
It's your boy Hot Shot, man. Peace and tranquility. Until next time. Thank y'all for watching. Give him a gunshot, bro.
Bang, bang, bang.